Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra and I am here to talk about RRR. RRR, the thing that it clicks to your mind is winning an Oscar for its soundtrack. But for me, this RRR are the three things for the 3rd of August. So 3 for 3. R, R, R. Right? So what I want you to do in R is read. The first and the foremost thing to do for next 41 days or 42 days, that is 6 weeks, is to read every day. This is not a time where you're going to watch a lot of lectures. This is not the time for passive reading. It's a time for active reading. ये time है समेटने का. मैं आपको example देता हूँ. You go to a wedding, you will have lots and lots of menu, but जीतेगा कौन? जीतेगा वो जिसको पता है what he wants to take. What do you want to take? You want to take a basic salad, basic lentil, the bread, some rice, some curd, and a little sweet. You do not have to get confused with too much because too much is harmful. This is the time to make it concise, make it small so that you are able to complete it. This is the first thing. So read with a mind that you do not fill your glass too much so it spills over and you don't retain things. This is number one. Read to retain. That's your number one point. The second point that should be coming to your mind is reassess every time. If you are in an environment where you can ask somebody or answer somebody, that's a way to reassess. If not, the ultimate final way to reassess is doing an MCQ. This is an MCQ based exam. Do not shy away from it. I have seen that in last 4 to 5 weeks, students try to complete 19 subjects and they forget that finally the MCQ solve karne hai na. So stick to the MCQs, attempt your test, attempt your grand test, do the questions. Do not miss the PYQs and the PYTs, previous year questions and the previous year topics. And then the final run, the third R for the 3rd August is revise. You have to be ready with one simple formula that 19 subjects revision must be complete. Whether you are going to revise it with your kick revision notes, whether you want to revise with your BTR, whether you have created your own chhoti copy or your own notebook, this is the time not to miss out. This is the time to maintain your tempo. 15 जून को हम free होने वाले थे, हम नहीं हुए. Now we are sitting on 22nd, 23rd June. Now this is the time where we need to push ourselves to take ourselves to 3rd of August. It is just like the final run towards your goal. And whenever you feel you are getting relaxed, remember why you started. And trust me, if you do these 3 things, read, right, to retain things, reassess by asking or discussing or MCQs, and finally be ready with a good revision, you're going to come out as a happy face on exam on 3rd of August. Thank you very much. All the very best.